Hello, creative people. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever thought about giving your children real watercolors as a gift? In this video, I analyze the CIS watercolor for children. Is it safe, easy to use, and maintains the expected quality? If you like today's topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Come with me to find out if this watercolor is the best ally for children's creativity. Let's analyze the 8-color watercolor from CIS. It's a school watercolor that comes in this beautiful case and with this tiny brush. Comes in the colors black, white, yellow, orange, red, pink, blue, and green. Tablets are very dry. It is manufactured by CIS and recommended for children over 3 years old. The composition is a colored thermoplastic resin. The manufacturer says it is non-toxic. The lid can be used as a palette. Let's analyze the colors, the expansion, how many layers it can handle, and the mixing of colors. Now I activate the watercolor with water. Please keep an open mind because it is a children's watercolor. The pigment comes out easily from the tablet. It drags on the paper quite easily. It is very pigmented despite being very opaque. It is normal for a children's watercolor to be opaque. The texture after drying is velvety. Let's do the layer test. It can't handle several layers. On the second layer it dragged the paint from below, and on the third layer it practically removed the pigment from the paper. Now the color mixing test. It mixed the colors well despite having dragged the layer below. Let's do the expansion test. Look, the blue expanded a little. I didn't expect any expansion. In reality, it doesn't expand much, which is great for children. I wonder how they react in practice. I'm going to make a flower arrangement. I teach the technique of this flower and other flowers in my book, Watercolor Flowers, without the use of sketches. The book is for sale on Amazon. Take advantage of it. It is still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. The link to purchase is in the video description. She made a very beautiful arrangement. She worked very well for a children's watercolor. She managed to get several shades of the same color and mixed the colors well. She created new greens. Here she managed to make a lilac. I liked it. This watercolor is very cheap. It's a fun game to play with your children. What did I think? Is CIS watercolor really for children? In my opinion, yes. It's great for beginners. Unbeatable cost benefit. What about you? Have you tried this watercolor with children? Tell us in the comments. If you want more tips like this, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss anything. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.